No vacation, or excuse me, no vaccination, no class. That is the message that some Bay Area college students are getting.
Tonight, a growing number of colleges and universities, more than 100 nationwide, say getting vaccinated against COVID-19 will be mandatory this fall. But is that legal in Florida? 8 on Your Side investigator Masa Saidi is identifying exactly how upset students can fight back.
That's right, Stacy and Keith. Nova Southeastern University is the first institution in Florida to require the COVID vaccine. All students must be fully vaccinated by August 1st, with limited exceptions made for medical and religious reasons. I went to the Clearwater campus and found many students do not want to be forced to get the shot.
I want kids someday. Is that going to affect me?
Are you going to get the vaccine?
Once I go to clinicals, I have to, but I'm trying to delay it as much as possible.
At Nova Southeastern University, time is running out. Students like Jessica Shermer and Brooke Sawyer have just weeks to decide to get the COVID-19 vaccine or risk being kicked out of NSU's cardiovascular sonography program. The Florida institution joining more than 100 U.S. colleges and universities now mandating shots to ensure a safe return to campus. But is it legal?
115 years ago, the Supreme Court held that states can compel vaccinations. And we've seen colleges require proof of vaccines for measles, mumps, and meningitis. But coronavirus is different.
The COVID vaccines only have emergency use authorization rather than the standard full FDA approval. Some legal experts believe the shots, approved only for emergency use, can't be mandated. I. Glenn Cohen, Harvard Law professor and leading expert on medical ethics, disagrees.
It's your choice, but if you choose not to be vaccinated, this is one of the consequences.
Specifically, how could you fight this?
Cohen outlines other top challenges students could bring, like a lawsuit under the Americans with Disabilities Act, or one raising a conscientious objection to vaccination, or arguing the mandate has no basis in scientific fact or medical need. But here in the Sunshine State, there's an even stronger challenge.
We are not doing any vaccine passports. I think it's a bad idea.
The day after Nova Southeastern University announced their vaccine mandate, Governor Ron DeSantis signed an executive order that states, quote, businesses in Florida are prohibited from requiring any documentation certifying COVID-19 vaccination.
There is a question here that I think is being debated by some of the universities. Do they qualify as a business?
Cohen says if the governor's order is deemed to be lawful and applies to universities, then both public and private institutions would be unable to mandate vaccinations. Nova Southeastern University says they're reviewing the governor's order, but they have yet to amend their vaccine policy. Florida now has two options. They could file a lawsuit or threaten to withhold funding from the college.
And we have reached out to the state to see if they're planning on taking legal action against Nova Southeastern University. Cohen believes in many other states, students who don't want a vaccine mandate are going to have an uphill climb in the courts.
I guess that makes Florida unique in one regard, but there are so many colleges and universities here. Do you have any feel for if any of them are going to try to issue one of these mandates?
So great question. It's definitely possible, but it's less likely to happen here in Florida than other states. That said, schools are trying to encourage students to get vaccinated. For example, at the University of Florida, vaccinated students will not have to be routinely tested for the virus, so that's one way to kind of encourage them to get the shot.
Might come down to incentives to get them to do it. All right, thanks, Masa. If you have something you'd like Masa to investigate, call our 8 on Your Side helpline. It's 1-800-338-0808.